Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get notification. Today I'm coming with a new color gaming app that is Otanion. I will tell you how to recharge, how to transfer the money. Somewhat it will difficult. Now I will explain all things in easy way. Okay, let me explain how to recharge. Now you can go and tap all assets and tap on buy. Okay, you can see here 1 rupees is equal to 1 ARS. Okay, how much you want to recharge, tap here amount like that. You have seen the here 100, 200, 500, like that. You how much if you want to buy, you can buy and recharge. That is the system. Go and submit. It will redirect to the payment gateway and pay through you pay. Okay, this is the recharge system. Now I will explain how to transfer out from ARS to uh, Delia. Delia means it is an inbuilt application of that gaming app. Okay, I will show you. Enter how much you want to transfer to Delia. If you recharge 200 rupees, go and tap to go and press 200 and take it out. Means transfer out, and you go through here. You have seen. Now go to the community. Here you already seen here game Delia. Okay, press on that Delia go. Okay, it shows jumping. Now I will show the process of that color gaming app. Here you seen GC means if before I said the transferred amount will be shown here. Okay, here it consists of four clubs: Bally, Adair, Forer, Backy. It the color is green, yellow, and red. If you think that the next color is green, go and press green and enter how much you want to invest. And if you invest 30 rupees, you will get 58 rupees, like that. Means 2 rupees charges will be there in any other apps, like you already seen before my videos. That is also same. If you if you think that the next color will be the yellow, means the 50% of the profit here. If you invest 10 rupees, you will get a 15 rupees, means 14.5 something you will get. That is the procedure in yellow color. Red color is same as green. This is the procedure, full of procedure. It consists of four clubs. You already seen Valle, Adera, Fodera, Becky. Okay, I think you know this system. I don't want to waste much time in this system. Now, if you if you already invested 200 rupees, means you got 500 rupees, 500 or 600 rupees, like that. If you want to take out that money into your account, go and tap sell. Now you redirect to the available balance and tap on how much you want to withdraw, and you sell here. Then if you want to go back, go and back to Otani, and Otani is there, and tap on Otani. You will again redirect to the same application. I seen you did a recharge system and some of all वगैरह things. Now here passive income also there. I will tell you how to get a passive income by sharing the game. Now I will explain. You've seen here invitation code. Go and tap, and here it will show the invitation. Then copy the invitation code and paste to the your friend WhatsApp group or any other apps you have to use to invite the members. Now I will show here. You you send, go and sell the money, go and sell. Here enter amount means I already said if you invested 200 you will get a 500 rupees like that, that as a profit. Means the 30 rupees is handling fees. And you see here my bank card. Means you want to, if you want to take which bank account, means tap that your bank account number. Okay, then press submit. uh, in within 5 to 10 minutes you will get the withdrawal. That is the main proof. I will show my withdrawal proof. Here you can see here I withdrawal 2200 ARS. Means 1 rupees is equal to 1 ARS. Means 2200 rupees I got the withdrawal. You can see here the withdrawal fee is 66 rupees. Okay, this is the procedure of this app. Now I will show my bank proof. Here you can see here money received 2134 rupees from Tapacotec Private Limited. That is the payment gateway of this Otanion app. Okay, this is the whole procedure of this app. If you want to join, the link in the description, go and join. And don't waste of your time and play how much you want money. This is the whole thing. That's it. Okay friends, if you like this video, please hit like button and keep on subscribe our channel. Okay, bye.